laughing all around, lights are turning on, like a fairy tale come true. Sitting by the fire we made, you're the answer when I prayed I would find someone, and baby I found you. All I want is to hold you forever.
Attention, please.
Dito minsan 1:32 PM sila natatapos. Grabe sila. Pero wala na siyang pasok pagka 2 onwards na pumunta.
Please.
Yeah, doon.
Okay, let us begin our celebration. Thank you for coming, despite the storm yesterday, the typhoon. Thank you for coming today to celebrate this occasion of love and life. Thank you for all the cute kids here from Thank you for the birthday celebration, 75 years, and our anniversary, 45 years of marriage, of love and peace.
Walang choice.
Open their crowns for the day. Okay, we have a a short presentation, greeting messages from our loved ones. At night. I hope you enjoy this short presentation.
Celebrating November 18, ang birthday niya. Laging gusto niya i-skip yung araw na ito ng November 18. Katulad po yung ginawa ko ulitan, may konti akong research na ginawa sa Bible. At hinahanap ko yung birthday nito at ang nakita ko yung 1811, Matthew 18:11. Lahat ang sinasabi doon, wala. So missing po siya. Missing verse. So Matthew 18:10 and then nag-11 po siya. Walang verse na chapter 18 verse 11. 18:11 per birthday. At yun, laging sinasabi din ng mga bata na we skip to the good part. But the good part is spending time with you and being here with you. Kaya dapat huwag mag-miss yung 18:11 po your birthday, or else we will be missing you. And we love you very much po, Papa. Happy anniversary po, Mama and Papa. Thank you for being models for us, for being sa marriage po ninyo, for showing us how to love. And ngayon kami mga anak po kami. Thank you for showing us how you love us, that we can also pass it on to our children. Thank you.
Wala akong ibang message kundi taos-pusong pasasalamat. So, yun ba po siguro, ang mas gusto niyo rin magsabi. Si Edward and Cathy, and siguro po si Mickey. Para sa kalaman po rin lahat, kami pong mga in-laws, wala po kaming lahat para. Kasi ako po, tahimik lang po ako, pero hindi dito, pero tapos ko talaga kung may hindi ko po na-experience magkaroon ng papa. So, si papa lang po ano. Tinitingnan na ako at nag-iimodel ko. Hindi po ako magaling na tatay, pero sinusubukan ko kunin yung kung anong matutulong sa mga anak ko kay papa. So, maraming salamat po again sa pagiging mabuting ama at papagmahal at maunawing ama sa amin na. So, thank you po. Happy birthday, happy anniversary po. Mama, maraming salamat din po sa pagiging mabuting na sa amin at sa pag-iintindi at pagmamahal sa unconditional love po. Maraming salamat po.